Welcome on this short movie on how to calculate the point of intersection. What is the point of intersection? If we have two formulas over here, you can also make a graph out of them. That is, for instance, over here, I have in Desmos, yes, I use Desmos. Here, I have drawn two graphs, and you can see they intersect at one point. At that point, the y values are the same for the same x value. And these formulas, I put them in and you can calculate where they intersect. And then basically, how do we do that? Well, first of all, you write down the corresponding equation. The corresponding equation is simply put that we have the same y values so that the part after this equal to sign on one formula is equal to the part after this equal sign of the other formula. And then we have an equation to solve. Then we can solve the x by the balancing method. And then we need to calculate the y value by filling it in one formula and then check by filling it in the other formula. And if it's correct, it is done. Okay, so first of all, write down the corresponding equation. So I need to simply write down the form part after the is equal to sign on one formula. Then I have is equal to, and then I write down the part of what's after the is equal to sign on the other side. I need to erase this. This is not nice. Yeah, it's minus 2x minus 8. After we've done that, we need to calculate the x-coordinate by solving this equation. Well, how do we do that? Like we've done all time. I'm going to add 2 on both sides, 2x, so also here 2x. And then I have 6x over here plus 4 is equal to 0 minus 8. And I want to remove 4. I need to remove 4 on the other side. So 6x is equal to minus 12. And x is equal to minus 12 divided by 6 is equal to minus 2. So this is step 2, calculating the x coordinates. And then, so this is step 1. And then we step 2. And step 3, we need to fill in the x value in 1 and get a certain y value. So we have y is equal to 4 times minus 2 plus 4, that is equal to minus 8 plus 4, and that is minus 4. And then check with the other one. And then we have y is equal to minus 2 times minus 2 minus 8 is equal to 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Check, it is correct. So the point of intersection is minus 2 minus 4. Right, that's it. See you in class. Bye.